welcome to Gracie's Goose. Today is Quick Fix Wednesdays, and I am going to show you guys how to make an excellent recipe for a yogurt parfait. And if you have picky eaters out there, your kids who, I don't like this, I don't like that, I guarantee your kids are gonna love this, because one of my secret ingredients is Cool Whip, and who doesn't like Cool Whip? And these things are so tantalizing that I actually crave them, and I'm sure you will too. Today, out here in Arizona, it's gonna be 101, and this is like the perfect thing to eat to cool down. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with our yogurt. Now, I like to use a low fat, but I'm just trying to watch my weight, so feel free if you want to use full fat, of course you can, but this is just a personal preference. So this recipe does serve 4, but I'm only going to make 2 just to kind of show you. Okay, so you want to start by spooning in just a little bit of your yogurt in the bottom of your parfait glass. And it's always better to use the nice clear because this is going to be layered, so you want to be able to see all those beautiful layers. Okay, so first of all, your yogurt goes in. Next of all, I have some frozen berries here, which I've thawed out, and if you buy frozen, you can always use fresh fruit. But if you do buy the frozen berries, your strawberries will be a little bigger, so I just kind of cut those pieces up. So you just want to spoon in a nice little layer of your frozen berries here. And I have raspberries, cherries, strawberries, and blueberries, but you can certainly use peaches or, whatever kind of fruit you like. So you spoon a little bit of that in. And then next we're going to add some Cool Whip. And again, I use a fat-free Cool Whip, but you can certainly use whole fat or even just low fat. Okay, so when you do the Cool Whip, you want to make sure you put it in the center, and then you're going to take your spoon and you're just going to kind of smooth it out to the edge, just like that. Okay, and we'll do the second one here. Again, Cool Whip goes down in the center, and then smooth to the edge. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna take some granola. And a lot of times I do make my own granola, but because this is a quick fix, I just bought this store brand granola and it happens to be my favorite. So you just wanna put a little scoop of your granola right on top of that layer of Cool Whip. Just like that. And then you start all over again. Your next layer again is going to be some more berries. You want to make sure that it goes to the edge. And don't worry about any juices that, you pick up when you're picking up your berries, because it's just going to make it more luscious. So let's do our second one here. And then in goes our yogurt once again. So we're gonna put the yogurt. I know you're probably thinking, well, she did yogurt first, but in this one I'm doing my fruit first because I wanna get a nice layer of that color. So in goes our couple scoops of yogurt. Maybe just a little touch more. You always want to make sure you push it to the edge of the glass, just like that. Okay. And then some Cool Whip goes in again, right in the center. And we're going to push that to the edge. Okay. And our granola on top. pushing it over to the edge one more time. Okay. And then on this part, okay, once you've built up your layers to this point, what I like to do is just put a dollop of yogurt in the center of each one. Be a little bit more than that. And I guarantee you will definitely be full once you've had this. Oh, and then, I'm sorry. And then another dollop of Cool Whip on top of your yogurt. Okay. And then I like to just top it off with a little bit more berry. And see that? And then I take a little bit of the juice and I just kind of drizzle it. Same thing on this one. And there you have it. And these are absolutely tantalizingly delicious. And you will actually crave these. In fact, I just want to bite it right now. Yeah. So there you go. Nice, easy, quick fix for your kids, for your family. I even eat these for lunch sometimes. So thank you for watching. And if you like my recipes and you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.